we just released our soft gel tips. So today I'm just going to be designing some press-on tips for me to use later. And today the plate that we're going to be using, M354, and today I have as the base colors, I got Candy Spirit, Stellar, and Mercury Baseline. So basically I'm just going to randomly just put these colors onto my makeup wedge here, and I'm just going to stipple this onto the tip. This color, or like just navy blue, and like the purples and pinks are just such a nice substitute for black. And I'm actually just going to take this image with just this top part, and so basically all I get is stars. We're going to go right into the reverse stamping part. Something about this alien, let's pick that one up. Why is she so pretty? I am using some neon colors. I love the green. I'm so in love with the green right now. So we're just gonna take a detail brush. I'm using a really fine pointed detail brush here. So when you're doing reverse stamping, make sure to not too much dragging if I can avoid it. Oh, I like the way she's turning out. We're gonna go ahead and put the alien on. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer of the sticky base. I'm just gonna put it all over the nail. So I'm gonna try and center my alien as best as possible. And there you go. And add in some of these really fun star designs here. These alien ladies look so out of this world. I love it. I love it. Love it. Let me know how you guys like it. Give me an alien head if you enjoy this look.